Hello children, this is your social ma'am speaking. I hope you everyone safe at home and be healthy. Yes, today we are going to start our session. Before we are going to see a small recap. Yes, what is our first topic? Various forms of calendar. What are the forms? Yearly calendar, monthly calendar, daily calendar. Yes, yearly calendar. We can get details of a particular year. Monthly calendar. We can get details of a particular month. Daily calendar. We can get details of a particular day. I hope you children, everyone understood about various forms of calendar. Let us start today's session. What is our new topic? Classification of events. What is our new topic? Classification of events. See, before we are going to start our new topic, start with the PEP activity. Yes, PEP activity 2.10. Here are pictures of a few events and celebrations. Observe each picture to answer the following questions. Yes, observe the picture. What celebration this? Let us see the question. What celebration does the picture represent? Observe the picture, children. What celebration does the picture represent? I hope you everyone find it. What celebration? Birthday party. Yes, what celebration? Birthday party. What is the next question? List two things that helped you identify it. How do you identify this? How do you identify this is birthday party? Yes, the decoration, birthday party stickers, cake, chocolates, gifts. Yes, through this we can easily identify this is birthday party. So what you have to write the answer? I given here cake, gifts, and you can write your own answer. You can write birthday stickers, decorations, chocolate, gifts. Like that you can write your own answer. What is the next question? Who usually arranges for this type of celebration? Think about your birthday. Who usually arrange for your birthday celebration? What is the answer? Parents, friends and relatives. Yes. Think about your birthday. Who usually arrange for your birthday celebration? Think and write your answer. Yes. Let us move. Next question. Who are usually a part of the celebration? Think about your birthday celebrations. Who are usually a part of the celebration? Parents, friends, neighbors and relatives. Yes. What is the answer? Parents, friends, neighbors and relatives. What is the next question? Do you celebrate it too? Listen children. Do you celebrate it too? Do you celebrate your birthday party means you have to mark the yes. Otherwise you have to mark no. If you have marked yes, when do you celebrate it? Yes. See, are you celebrate? Do you celebrate your birthday as a party means you have to tick yes. No, I am not celebrate my birthday party. Tick no. If you marked yes means you have to write when do you celebrate. When do you celebrate? For example, last year I am not celebrate my birthday party. The before 2018 I celebrated my birthday as a party. The grand party means so you have to write which birthday you celebrated as a party. For example, my birthday is April 15. So this year 2020 I am not celebrated my birthday as a party, but 2019 I celebrated my birthday as a party. So you have to write here when do you celebrate. If you celebrated like a party means you have to write no, I didn't celebrate my birthday as a party means no need to write here. I hope you children everyone understood. Yes. What is the next one? What is the next event? Just observe the picture. What is the event? Do you remember what is the event? Sports Day celebration. What is this? A Sports Day celebrations. Yes. What event do the picture below represent? What event? Sports Day. Who usually arrange for this event? Who usually arrange for this event? Principal, teachers and school management. Think about your school sports day celebration. Who usually arrange for this event? Yes, principal, teachers and school management. And you can write your own answer also. What is the next question? Who are usually a part of such an event? Think about your sports day celebration. Who are usually a part of such an event? Students. What is the answer? Students. Yes. Do you celebrate similar events in your school too? If yes, name them. Yes. Do you celebrate like this event in your school? If yes means you have to write what is the celebration. So think about your sports day celebration last year. Yes, we celebrated like this. So what do you have to write? Yes, a sports day. Like that you have to write. What is the next question? Yes. What picture represent? Do you remember this? What event are these people celebrating? Yes, every year. A Republic Day and Republic Day and Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hoisted the flag in New Delhi. Do you remember that? Yes, I hope you everyone watched TV on Independence Day and Republic Day. Yes, it's telecast by all the channels in Independence Day and Republic Day. If you watched means no problem. If you not watched means you can watch next year. Otherwise, you can watch in YouTube videos. If you put Independence Day or Republic Day, means it will show how do you celebrate last year. We can see the videos. See what celebration this? Independence Day. Yes. List 2 things that helped you identify the event. How do you identify? See, this is army parade, a national flag. Our peoples are gathering together. Peoples are come together and they're giving respect to our national flag. See, our army parade. They're giving respect to our national flag. So we can easily identify this is a Independence Day celebration or Republic Day celebration. So I given here answer army parade and national flag, and you can write your own answer. Do you celebrate it too? If so, when, how? So this is your own answer. So think about your Independence Day and Republic Day celebration in your school. How do you celebrate? You have to write here. Yes, see, now we are going to see the classification of events. We have 3 classification of events: family event, national event and school event. Yes, now we are going to see family event. What are the family events? Let us see now. There are variety of events and celebrations that take place throughout a year. Yes, personal events like birthday, weddings and wedding anniversary for your parents, welcoming a new baby in the family, celebrating an achievements. Yes, suppose if you get any medals or any achievements in your studies and sports, that is also one of the family events. Are usually celebrated with family and friends. Yes, family events usually we are celebrating with your family members and friends. For example, a religious festival such as Christmas, Diwali, Pongal, Eid and Ramzan are also opportunities for families and friends to come together. Yes, a religious festival, Diwali, Pongal celebrations. Yes, during the festival time, your families and friends come together. They are celebrating the festivals. There are all examples of family events. Yes. Yes, children, I hope you everyone understood about family events. What is the next event? Yes, before that we have an activity. Look within. 2.11. Which is your favorite festival? Why? See, you have to write your favorite festival and you have to write the reason why it is your favorite festival. For example, my favorite festival is Diwali. What is the reason? Because I like to burst the crackers, I will buy the new dress, my mother will prepare new dishes for me. Like that, you have to write yourself. You have to write your favorite festival and write the reason. What is the next question? In which month of the year does this festival usually occur? Yes. For example, my favorite festival is Diwali. Which month the festival usually occur? October or November. October or November. For example, my favorite festival is Pongal means which month? January. So you can refer the calendar and write the month of the festival. So I hope everyone understood the activity. You have to write your favorite festival and write the reason and which month of the festival. You have to write this. If you have any doubt, refer the calendar and write the answer. What is the next event? National event. What is the next event? National events. Some events are usually celebrated by an entire country. Yes, they are called national events. For example, when we are celebrating Independence Day, August 15. Yes, this is national event. In India, August 15 is celebrated as Independence Day. Yes, when we are celebrating Independence Day, August 15. On this day, every year, the Indian national flag is hoisted by the Prime Minister in Delhi. Yes, Independence Day and Republic Day. Both national events, a national flag is hoisted by the Prime Minister in Delhi. Yes, these are called the national events. What is the next one? Republic Day is another important event celebrated nationwide in India. Yes, children, Independence Day or Republic Day, we are celebrated nationwide in India. It falls on January 26. When we are celebrating Republic Day, January 26. See the picture, observe the picture, how we are celebrating Republic Day celebrations. Yes, a grand parade by the Indian Army, Navy and Air Forces take places in New Delhi to honor the Indian national flag. Yes, Independence Day and Republic Day, the both events we are celebrating like this. We are giving respect. We are giving respect to our national flag. What is the next important event? Next national event is Gandhi Jayanti. Who is father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Do you know who is the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Another important national event in Gandhi Jayanti, which falls on October 2. Yes, when we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, October 2. This is the birth anniversary of the father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who was born on this day in the year 1869. Whose birthday is celebrating as Gandhi Jayanti? Mahatma Gandhi Ji. His birth anniversary is celebrating as a Gandhi Jayanti. When we are celebrating? October 2. When we are celebrating? October 2. Who was born on this day in the year 1869? Which year he was born? 1869. Yes, children, I hope everyone understood about our national events, Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These days have been declared as national holidays and are celebrated all over the country. Yes, these days our national events has been declared as a national holidays and are celebrated all over the country. National events bring together different groups of people in a country. Yes, India's many religious peoples are living together. So these national events bring together different group of people in a country. So what is the next activity? Look deep. 2.12. Look at a calendar and identify the dates on which the following national events occur this year. Yes, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So when we are celebrating Independence Day? August 15. When we are celebrating Republic Day? January 26. So when we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti? October 2. Yes, you have to write yourself. I hope you children, everyone understood about national events. What is the next event? School events. Schools also celebrate several events. Yes, in our school we are celebrating several events. These are called school events. These are called school events. Events such as Sports Day and Annual Day are organized in schools once a year. Yes, every year we are celebrating a Sports Day and Annual Day organized by school once a year. Students eagerly participate in these events organized by the school. Yes, who organized these events? By the school. Who eagerly participating? Students. Students are eagerly participating in these events. The principal, teachers and the support staff take great to make an event memorable for the students. Yes. Think about your sports day, annual day celebrations. It is one of the such a great memorable for the students. So think about your last year celebrations, annual day celebrations, sports day celebrations. Such event memorable for the students. Parents and guests are often invited to watch and support their children participating in various events. Yes. So as a school, the sports day, annual day is organized by the school, but we are inviting parents and guests to watch and support their children participating in various events. I hope you children, everyone understood about classification of events. Classification of events, we have three classification of events: family events, national events and school events. Now see, this is a companion activity 2B. Pick a yearly calendar and circle the dates of 3 family, school and national events. Listen children, you have to take a yearly calendar. I hope you everyone know very well about yearly calendar. Yes. You have to take a yearly calendar and you have to circle 3 family and school and national events that have happened or will happen. Already if it is happened, otherwise will happen this year. List these events along with the dates and days on their occurrence in the following table. See here, this is your companion activity. You have to take a yearly calendar. In the yearly calendar, you have to circle the 3 dates, 3 events: family, school and national events. Already it is happened or will happen. See here, I given an example. Family event, date, day. So birthday. What are the family events? Birthday, your parents' wedding day, your sister's birthday, any festivals and celebrations, that is also family events. So you have to, what are the family events? I given your example: birthday, date, day. You can write Diwali, Pongal, your parents' wedding anniversary, your cousins, your brother, sister's birthday. You can write here and write the date and the day. You have to take a yearly calendar children. So what is the next one? School events. Yes, you have to take your diary. Yes, what are the school events? Sports day, annual day, when we celebrate a date, day, otherwise children's day celebration, other celebration also, the children's day celebration, sports day celebration. Like that you have to write here for school events and write the date and day. What is the next one? National events. National events. What are the national events? Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Which date? When we are celebrating, date and day. See children, day will change. compare the last year 2019, the day may be Monday, means this year 2020 maybe Tuesday or Wednesday it will come. So check the calendar and write the date and day. So if you have finished once, means you have to move to the first question. I hope you children everyone understood about this. You have to pick a yearly calendar, mark the family events, write date, day. Then next, school events, date, day. What is the next one? National events, write date, day. After that, would it be easier to remember all these days and dates without the calendar? Listen children, without a calendar, can you remember all these events? Yes means tick yes. No means tick no. This is your own answer. Because how would you remember? Birthdays are often important family events. Yes, birthday is an important family event. How would you feel if you forget to wish someone on their birthday? How would you feel? Listen children. How would you feel? Birthday is an important family event that we know. If you forget you wish someone on their birthday, for example your friends, your mother or your parents' birthday, how would you feel? You can write here sad, disappointed, like that. You have to write your own answer. I hope you children everyone understood. Have a wonderful day. Thank you children.